Today, I will show you how to use the AnimatedSize widget. It is a widget that animates its size whenever its child size changes. I created and initialized a double variable in a stateful widget. I used a column in a center widget for the body. I added a container to the column and used the AnimatedSize widget as its child. I set the curve and duration of the animated size and used a Flutter logo as its child. The size of the Flutter logo is the double variable created above. I used a slider to update the variable and change the size of the Flutter logo.